Good morning to respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Master Mihir Pujari, has got a golden opportunity to speak a few words on corruption, how to stop it, a Vedic view. What is corruption? The dishonest or illegal behavior of people in authority for granting favors for a consideration is termed as corruption. Accepting bribes for doing an illegal act or omission to do so may also be called a corrupt act. When many senior officers and ministers are making money under the table for allotting oil fields or granting license to do something legal, but in an illegal manner, the whole transaction would be termed as an illegal act and the regime would carry the tag of corruption. As now, corruption is a way of life in India. Right now, we are passing through a phase of public life where political correctness demands that one who wishes to make progress and let his business flourish should shut his mouth and purse strings loosened. So, here are a few Vedic ways to stop corruption. First, give better salary in government jobs. Many officers in government jobs receive low salaries such as the clerks, office staff, etc. So they expect to make money through bribery. For they try to delay the work so long that the client is frustrated and ups bribery for progress in work. Second, increase in the number of workers. In many offices of government sector, the workload has grown up drastically, but the recruitment of vacancies has declined. So this gives an option for the officials to get corrupt and do an illegal act for benefits or monetary. Next, law to dismiss from court if found guilty. In, for an instance, in cases of where anti-corruption department raids an officer's home and if the officer is found guilty, he is suspended from employment and taken for judicial trials. But after a couple of years, you will see the same officer in the same or even higher post. So this creates lack of fear of being corrupt. Second, keeping transactions online and provision of bill for every transaction. Many people do not pay taxes and escape. This involves corruption. So, keeping transactions online through bank accounts and provision of bill for every transaction regarding money would help. Increase in cost and judgment. Many cases of corruption take years to be given verdict. So this delay in cases creates lack of fear of being corrupt, and also huge time span between the trials gives enough time to make alterations in the witness. So here were a few Vedic ways to stop corruption. Thank you.